How do you tell when you have a valve that is leaking? One way is you come to the valve box and it's constantly open, even after you've closed it. This one is not a mainline leak, so there's no water in the box, but you can tell that it has been leaking because it has this grime layer that is constantly on the pipe. And that is basically just silt that is constantly just getting laid down as that water retreats, and it winds up sticking to everything. So everything is covered in this gray layer of muck, basically. And then to be able to look around and try to find it, well, one of the best ways to be able to find it is you look for, you can see it, there's a little like pit hole down there, and it'll have, basically that's where the water has been spraying, and it will have a little bit of gravel or sand down at the bottom of that. It's not real easy to see. I don't really have a light to be able to flash on that. Let me see if I can get a light flashed on that. So okay, there you go. So you can see just below that green fitting, there's a little bit of gravel down underneath there, and a little slot that is being created by the water flowing. And let's see if we can get a little bit better angle of this. Maybe be able to see a little more underneath there. Anyway, that is what is creating the gravel, as it's flushing all the silt out from that section, and the gravel and the heavier debris is what's left behind. Now, let's make sure that's really what it is. We'll turn it on. Sorry, I'll turn it on with the solenoid so it doesn't spray. And as you can see, the water is pouring out right there. Go ahead and shut it off.